looked in the mirror at 6 p.m. and thought to yourself, where did all this makeup went to? Well, that's going to fix that, and quickly let's change the mood from day makeup to night makeup in a flash. I'm just going to show you how it is done, and you're going to see that it's super quickly. You don't need a lot of products, just let's get it done. Women over 40, the makeup fades faster, it's a fact. Our skin changes texture, foundation settles into fine lines, and by the end of the day it kind of looked like a mess. What looked fresh at 9 a.m. looks tired by evening time. Applying everything isn't realistic when you have to go from work to dinner, especially if it's dinner with friends or a loved one or anyone close to you, or even a business meeting. Just reapplying everything will take you longer. So let's see the easy way. First of all, step number 1, blot, don't powder. Use a blotting paper. I use this one. This is a rice paper. Just, it removes oil without caking our foundation. So I'm just going to take a piece of paper and just blot all the oils away. And as you can see, don't powder. Please don't powder, it will only make things worse. So we blotted. That's the first thing to do. Step number 2 is add some blush to our complexion. I still have a tiny bit of blush, but no harm in adding more blush. I'm using this. This is from Makeup Forever in the shade 101. So we're just adding cream blush. This is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to take and make a circle on my hand, and then take a brush, just add all the blush into the brush and apply it high on the cheeks because it's going to lift our faces instantly. So I'm just adding, not a lot, just a tiny bit. We want to elongate our face, lift it up, and this is exactly what it's doing. Just a tiny touch. We're not going to add too much, but we just want some lift, and that's what it gave us. I did not add more product, just what I had on the palm of my hand, and instant lift. Okay, step number 3 is add some shimmer. I'm using this one. Well, I have 2 options. You can choose whatever shade you want. I have one from Laura Mercier. This is Strike a Rose. This is the shade Rosy, but look at that, luscious and pretty. Or I have this one by Elf, which is called No Budge Shadow Stick. I don't see, well, there is a shade, Perfect Pearl. Whoa, did you see that? It almost fell off. This is the lightest one, very light. So we have 2 options. So we just want to apply this on the lids. I'm going to go with the darker one by Laura Mercier because I love the shade, but you know, it's very up to you. Just, you know, refresh our eyelids with a new pop of color, and it's easier to use a stick because I don't even need a brush. I don't need to use my fingers. It's easy peasy. Just apply it, that's it. And just let's refresh our mascara. I'm going to take my magnifying mirror and add a bit mascara just to refresh things, not too much. It just gives us an instant refreshness when we apply a tiny bit more mascara. And last step is to swap the nudeness that we had all day to something bold, like this one from Nabla. Look, a pretty shade. I'm going to swatch it, of course, and you can see what a beautiful shade. This is the easiest way to shift the mood. I am going to use a lip liner. This one is from Wet n Wild. This is a lip liner that complements, this is the lip liner, the shade of the lipstick. You don't have to apply lip liner, but recently I find that it helps the lipstick last longer and not bleed everywhere. I am coloring the lips themselves with the lip liner, not too much, and I'm going to apply my lipstick. That's it. Same base, zero fuss, total glow up. That's it. Same base, zero fuss, total glow up. In a minute I look ready for dinner, ready for an event, wherever I'm going, I'm ready. It took me a few minutes, a few products, but look at the transformation. Well, that's it. This is very, very short, very, very easy, very, very targeted to us over 40 women. If you want more fast transformations for mature skin, then hit the subscribe button and like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. Write something in the comment section down below. Did you find this video helpful? If you did, please share it with your friends. Don't forget to follow me to see more transformations, more tips, more tricks and tips for us girls with mature skin. And that's it. I will catch you all in my next video. Bye.